Good afternoon, one and all. This is Shruti Simhadri. Today I am going to discuss a topic called switch case in C programming. Here we can call this switch case as multi-directional conditional control. The if-else statement in C is called as a bidirectional and conditional statement. If the condition is true, the block of statements are executed. If the condition is false, another block of statements are executed. In this case, one alternative is picked among the two possible alternatives depending upon the condition result. A multi-way conditional statement is one through which the control flow can be transferred in multiple directions. This statement is mainly used in situations where there is a need for us to pick one alternative among the many possible alternatives. This is particularly useful when variable values are classified with quotes. The switch statement is a multi-way conditional statement or multi-way decision maker which tests the expression for a match with one of the number of constant values and braces accordingly. The general form of switch statement is switch. Then after we are going to write expression. Next one, case. Here we can make sure of using constant values, constant 1 here. Next column. After that you should write block of statements here. Then make sure of using break statement. And next case constant 2. Then you are going to write block of statements. After that make sure of using break statement. Okay, so like we can use many number of cases. After that take default one, and here you are going to mention statements and close this switch case. This is what the syntax for switch case. The expression value must be an integer, hence the type can be int or character. And next always be followed by an integer constant or a character constant or constant expression. All the cases should be distinct. The block of statements under default is executed with none of the cases match the value of the expression. Default can optionally be present. If it is not present and no cases is matching, then no action takes place. Cases and default can occur in any order. The expression is evaluated first and the result is monitored with each constant present in the cases. Execution starts at the case much matches the value of the expression in switch. The break statement causes an explicit exit from the switch statement. If it is not present, after executing the case which expression, the following other cases are also executed. The reason being that C treats the cases just as labels. Let us look into the example now. Let us look into the example program now. Okay, so I'm going to write switch case for arithmetic operations. Okay, so how many arithmetic operations are there? Plus, minus, into, and divided by modulo. Okay, so for these arithmetic operators, I'm going to use, or I'm going to write a C program now. Okay, so for that, we include a stdio.fetch for our program. Then after, write main function. After that, consider values A, B, C and choice variables here. This is the declaration part. After that, enter values for A and B. After that, read the values for A and B. After that, make sure of using choice value. Enter your choice. After that, I am going to read the choice value here. That should be also an integer. After that, write switch statement. Switch choice case 1 C is equal to A plus B, printf %d and C here. Next, what we are going to write is the break statement. After that, I am writing case 2 here. Case 2 is the subtraction. Again, printf %d, comma, C here. Make sure of using break statement after every case. And then case 3, C is equal to A into B, printf %d and C here. Again use break. Next case 4, C equal to A by B, printf %d and the result is there in C now. Next, break statement. Case 5 here, C is equal to A modulo B, printf %d, C here. Next, make sure of using break statement. After that, default printf invalid choice here. Let us look into this program and look into the working nature of this program. Okay, so here I am considering values for A and B is 5 and 5. Okay, so my choice. Okay, so here we are going to read the choice now. Okay, so that's why I am giving choice here. Choice as 3. Okay, so here switch choice means my choice is 3. Okay, so if my choice is 3, what will happen? What is the choice 3 here? A into B. Okay, so what is the result of 5 into 5 here? 25. This is going to be appeared on the user screen. Okay, so suppose if I am passing my choice as 6 here, is there any choice of 6 here in our program? No. Okay, so that's why On user screen, we can get an outcome called invalid choice. If I am passing choice as 2, I can get a result of 0 here because 5 minus 5. Okay, so by using switch case, whatever the choice we want to print on the monitor, we can able to print. Okay, so this is what the switch case. I hope you can understand with this example. Thank you.